Hello los papitos y papitas. If you like the video, don't forget to make the blue pouce, and if you are new in the channel, don't forget to subscribe and to put the notifications on. So los papitos, this week is the cutting project fruit. So what we can do with all this, so we'll start to cut the ananas and then we will enjoy all this week beautiful cutting fruit together. So we will start, guys, by the ananas. And los papitos, the benefit of the ananas is amazing. Rich in vitamin and minerals, it improve your immune system. Is amazing, guys. So we start now. So los papitos, we're going to cut the bottom. You put this, of course, in the trash. Then we cut the ananas in two. Slowly, don't cut your fingers. Voila. In a half like this. So papitas, we're going to cut the ananas in stars. Then it's really important that you keep the earth. So you keep another quarter like this. So los papitos, you cut the middle, you leave the middle here. So you cut slowly here. And you do in two parts because it can be tricky. Like this, los papitos, like this. Here and here. Like this, you cut really here. Voila. Like you just check here if the cut is amazing. Like this, you can also remove this part. What you will do next, you cut the slice, not too big, not too small. And the amazing part will be at the end. When it's done, here, you move with your fingers. Here, like this. Each part in each way, like this. Easy, simple. And then you have a good presentation to keep your ananas simple and beautiful. You make here simple, exactly same side, and it will be amazing, guys. So here are those papitos that you can cut the ananas. This is one of the many examples you can use to make a beautiful plate. I'm sure your friend will like it. Thank you, los papitos, to watch this video with me, and I give you a date tomorrow for discover a new fruit together. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, so I invite you to join the Papikitchen Tribe on your favorite social media. And also, I invite you to discover the Papikitchen collection on www.papikitchen.com. Allez, guys, bisous bisous.